funding, financing वो बहुत important होती है. So whatever we can do in the budget is one thing, but also through the World Bank Katni Partnership Framework, जो 10 साल का Katni Partnership Framework पिछले साल साइन हुआ है, उसमें there are 3 pillars and one pillar has to deal with population और उसमें भी 2 work streams हैं, which is learning poverty, which is essentially girls out of school, and the second part is child stunting. So roughly $600 to $700 million per year is available to finance all interventions that are going to be there around population. मैं आखिरी बात सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो अवेयरनेस की कैंपेन है और जो और फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम मीडिया और जो शाहरुख साहब ने जो ये अभी आपको डिटेल में बताएंगे जो वक्फा की कैंपेन है, आई थिंक इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट. और मैं अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले I was in Karachi and मैं Shahzad Roy साहब को भी मिला and I went and visited the school, girls' school, which he sponsored और ज़िंदगी ट्रस्ट के अंदर वो कैसे इसको आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं. तो देखिए ये अभी मुश्ताक कमाल साहब भी इसका जिक्र करेंगे. But when we look at और अभी आपने भी जिक्र किया about हमारे जो इस्लामी ब्रदर ममालिक हैं उसका आपने जिक्र किया. तो there are 3 case studies which were done and reviewed in the context of what we need to do in Pakistan, and that's Bangladesh, Iran and Indonesia. And if you look at what are some of the common themes in all these case studies, where over a 10 to 15 year period their growth rate and population growth rate has come down to 1%, there are sort of three key themes. One is the education of girls or education of women. Number 2, women in the workforce. And number 3, getting the buy-in of and getting the religious scholars on board. तो ये तीनों ममालिक में, whether it's Bangladesh or Iran or Indonesia, जिनके अब सब population rate जो है तकरीबन 1% के करीब हैं, these are the 3 common themes which are there. So in the end, Mustafa Kamal Sahab, we stand right behind you because आपकी leadership में और जब National Population Council है under the leadership of the Prime Minister, inshallah, finance is there to, as I mentioned earlier, help, support, assist. Wish you a very good conference and inshallah we'll stay in touch on this very, very important initiative. बहुत शुक्रिया.